this here is our daily bread video with an AR-15. I have it on a sling, which is a 1-point sling. Some people prefer 2-point slings. It's really all what you're comfortable to. But we're basically going to go through the same exercises. Obviously we're at a short distance here for the video, but for a longer distance between being the student and the teacher, you want to practice the same principles. So you have your weapon here. You want to draw up your weapon like this. Okay, the first thing that I noticed is, for my comfort, I don't have my stock adjusted right, so that's the position for my stock. So I'm going to pull up, get on target with the laser. So as you work out with these drills right here, you'll understand that you're just basically practicing to get fluent with pulling your weapon and getting on target fast. So what I'm going to do is the same thing with the black target. Pull up, laser on target, and then look at my sighting. Flank around the moving target, pull up, laser on target, sighting. Then I can oscillate between head shots and center mass shots. It's the same technique practice. So you practice pulling up, practice different stances, different positions on how you hold your rifle. Some people prefer to have their hand out like this. My personal preference is back here, so I can actually hold the discharge and do a quicker clip changeover. But when you pull up, if you hold your rifle on sight and on the target for a second, that will help you develop your muscle memory for that spot. So when you get into a situation where there's a charging target or something of that nature, you can pull up and be right on target every time. So you learn that through practice, but it's a good little, our daily bread technique.